Hi, my name is Anton and I am project manager at LANARS, and today my job is to explain to you in details how our client path looks like, from start to finish. We will explore all the phases the business or person goes through when it comes to tech project development, why it might be needed, how to choose the right provider, and how to get the maximum ROI from your investment. So let's get to it. Every journey begins with an idea. For us, this idea is centered around how technology can be leveraged to fulfill a specific need, optimize a process, or simplify aspects of life. Whether it's in the realm of business efficiency or consumer convenience, the essence of your idea is to serve a meaningful purpose and address specific needs. At this initial stage, it is crucial to consider the key question your idea seeks to answer. How does it purpose to use technology innovatively to solve this problem? What specific problem or need does your idea address? In what ways will to improve efficiency, convenience, or quality of life? Who is the target audience and how will they benefit from this solution? What makes your idea stand out in the current market landscape? Your concept may start as a broad vision, but as we explore this question together, it begins to take a more defined shape. This is where your idea starts its transformation, evolving from a concept into a viable, impactful solution. And guess what? This is already the stage where LANARS can help you by your discovery phase. You can check more about what is discovery phase and how it helps you build a better product in our Medium post here. Choosing the right partner for your project is crucial. It's a big decision that can really affect how successful your project will be. We understand how important this is, and we want to help you make the best choice. So, we've put together a few tips that we hope will guide you in finding the right partners for your needs. Expertise and experience. Look for a provider with a proven track record in your specific area of needs. Their expertise and experience in similar projects can be invaluable. Client testimonials and case studies. Assess their credibility through client testimonials and case studies. This can provide insight into their approach and the outcomes they've achieved. Technological compatibility. Ensure that their technological capabilities align with your project requirements. The right provider should have the tools and knowledge to bring your idea to life. Communication and support. Effective communication is a key. Choose a provider who values transparency and offers robust support throughout the project. Cultural fit. Consider the cultural alignment between your team and the provider. A good cultural fit can enhance collaboration and understanding. From a project manager perspective, I would also recommend checking if a potential vendor has the right development process in place. Ask them to give you a tour on project lifecycle in their management activities at each stage, and I hope this link here might help you. So, congrats on selecting your tech partner. It's like getting married, but with a contract and expiration date. At this stage, you have already received a high-level proposal, choosing a cooperation model, like fixed price, time and material, or dedicated team, and ready to roll. But first, make sure that your understanding of deliverables is the same as your vendors. What you need is a specification document. I'm sure your vendor has already explained that to you, but just to make sure, here's what a specification document must contain: wireframes, user stories, system requirements, functional requirements, security specification. These are high-level points, meaning they are must-have before you start actual development, and they are also needed for detailed estimate. But let's move further. So, after all preparation are ready, guess what? It's still not enough to start development, because there is one final and important aspect: UI/UX design. It can really affect the budget, as you might want to add animation, complex screen transition, and let's face it, design-wise you can implement one function in multiple ways. Some of them are simple, others requires more development efforts. So, complete the design part, you might even want to make a clickable prototype. Why not? This will help you to visualize the end result and you might want to make some changes beforehand. Before we jump to development itself, I would just emphasize on previous checkpoints: discovery, specifications, UI UX design, and estimate. Make sure that estimate is transparent, understandable, and with a good breakdown per feature. Okay, how do we start development? Now we are ready to begin the actual tech part of it. This phase is where ideas and designs transform into tangible solutions. Here's how you would proceed. Kickoff meeting. This development journey begins with a kickoff meeting. This is an essential gathering where all stakeholders are brought together, including the development team, project managers, and you. During this meeting, you would discuss and align on the project goals, timelines, roles, and responsibilities. It's a great opportunity for everyone to get acquainted and set the right tone for collaboration. Planning. Adopting the Agile methodology is a widely accepted best practice in the world of software development. This approach involves dividing the entire project scope into several segments known as sprints. Each sprint focuses on a specific set of functionalities or features, which are developed and then presented to you in a demo call at sprint's conclusion. Here is how it works. Sprint planning. Every sprint is meticulously planned with clearly defined goals and set timeline. This ensures a structured development process, with each sprint having a specific start and end date. Project schedule overview. As a result, you will receive a comprehensive project schedule. This schedule outlines each sprint, detailing when it begins, what will be developed, and when it concludes with a demo presentation. Regular updates and demos. At the end of each sprint, there has to be a demo call where the developed functionalities are demonstrated to you. This is an opportunity for you to see the progress firsthand, provide feedback, and make any necessary adjustments moving forward. This planned and iterative approach allows for greater flexibility and adaptability throughout the development process. It ensures that you are consistently involved and updated, making the project's progress transparent and aligned with your expectations. There are, quite frankly, a multitude of activities happening in the background, a lot more than one might initially perceive. However, detailing all of this process here would be quite extensive, possibly taking an hour or more. For a comprehensive understanding, we invite you to read our detailed post that describes the development process using app development as an example. Wow! Finally, we get to release. You're excited, your team is excited, your dog, if in place, is also excited. Your idea had a long journey and now you and other people can experience it in real or digital world. Now is the time to focus on business and split responsibility. You are in charge of business and scaling, your tech partner is in charge of support and implementing new scopes in any. It might be that the journey has just started. Thank you for being with us and watching our version of a client path. I will appreciate your likes and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any question, drop a comment or contact us at lanars.com and we will be glad to assist. Cheers!